yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. What happens when you give a diabolican 2 wheels of naturally aspirated power? You get a biker boy. That's right, the 2-wheel maniacs are in the building again, and they came to show the 4-wheelers how it's really done. They said, we tired of seeing you 4-wheel diabolicans get all the fun, get all the action, get all the ladies. They said, we want to show y'all how we get down. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy 2-wheel maniacs down? 2-wheel psychos, 2-wheel idiots down? Or will the 2-wheel idiots, aka diabolicans, make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action! Let's get to it. We know for sure he ain't chasing that gladiator. What's he chasing? The Audi? Oh no, he on the biker boy. Yabba dabba doo. Body on earth, foot in hell. He riding through the lake of fire on a motorcycle. Oh, did he get him already? I know you lying. Where he at? Oh, he on the sidewalk. That's definitely a little one. What's that, about a 250? That's dang near like a moped he on. He on a moped that look like a motorcycle. Where'd he go? Oh, he turned around on him. He out of there. I see you, my boy. Going on the wrong side of the road. Kamikaze. Look at him, man. All somebody got to do is open up their door. Whoopsie. Why don't he just go down that street? I thought it was a street right there. Am I tripping? Man, I would have turned around right there because you got to jump that whole median for me. I would have turned around right there on the cop. Did he turn around? Where'd he go?
I'm trying to figure out what he's doing. He's trying to make us out here.
He turned around on him. Look at him. This GTA, when you know when you first get the motorcycle and then they got no mods on it, you ain't got no engine upgrades. He got that throttle all the way down in hell.
367, let me know when you get called back up. We're coming up Fair Lake.
His hand on fire right now, sizzling. He washing dishes in lava. Is that a Kia Stinger? And a Challenger? What's the chances of that?
In the party line, in the party line.
Where'd he go? He said, I ain't got the speed, but I got the mobility. Look at him. He on a glorified moped. Cause if he was on a leader bike, he'd have been gone right now. This GT, this definitely GTA. When you first get that bike, it ain't got no upgrades. It be slow. Where'd he go? He doing right though. He using the bike's advantage. He turned around again. He clowning on the wrong side of the road though. You better make something happen. That cop showing him mercy. That cop could definitely take him off that bike right now. He just showing him mercy because he know he ain't got no protective gear on. He don't really want to hurt him. Shout out to that cop because he definitely can hurt him right now. He definitely could send him to heaven if he wanted to. He turned around again. Damn, he moved. He way up there. Oh, it's another cop on him now. Now they fed up with him. They fed up with him. Get off the bike, offender. Got him. Oh, come on, cop. You could have rolled through them little plastic things.
Circle again. Southbound camper. Southbound on camper.
They definitely showing him mercy, man, because they definitely could take him out if they wanted to.
Might be out of gas.
He ain't doing nothing but driving in circles, man. You gotta make a move. You ain't doing nothing but driving in circles right now. Where'd he go? Look at him, man. He clouded. He clouded right now.
I'm gonna do this all night, I guess.
Where'd he go? He turned around again?
Just tapping him off the bike. Stand by, stand by.
Oh, they tackled him. Got him.
Just tapping him off the bike.
A civilian? Come on, bro. Mind your business, man. I bet you, look at that cop. He made sure not to hit that Rolls Royce. That's a Rolls Royce. He made sure not to hit that Rolls. Get on the ground, offender. It's nasty work when homeboy made a citizen's arrest. Come on, rarely do you see a brother get involved with the police. It's nasty work right there, bro. You couldn't mind your business. My boy was having fun on that bike though, man. He knew he didn't have the speed. Meet me in the comments, man. Biker boys, man. Y'all needed a faster bike, man. He had the skill. He just didn't have a faster. If he would have had a faster bike, he definitely would have got away. He did a whole bunch of ring around the rosy, but he made it look good though, man. He stayed on the sidewalk, which was a good idea. That way the police can't really just ram him or clip his bike, so because he on the sidewalk, so he using the sidewalk to his advantage. And plus, he knew he didn't have no speed. That definitely was a little bit. Looked like it was a Suzuki. It definitely was a naked street bike. Yeah, I think it was a Suzuki. It probably was a Suzuki. Maybe I could be wrong, but I think it looked like a Suzuki because they usually got that purple color. I could be wrong, but that's definitely what it looked like. That man was doing everything he could. That little bike was slow, man. It was definitely a little lower tier. But he knew what he was doing. He just did not have the speed. This is the one day you should have had your real bike out. You should have had your real bike out this one day. But he should have went down different streets too. He was playing. He definitely could have did a lot different ways, but it is what it is, man. Come on, my boy. He was doing his thing though, man. He was doing all. He said, man, I got to keep turning around because it's my only advantage. I myself would have ghost rode the bike and got footy. I would have got footy. Seemed like you had a better chance of getting footy because the bike just was slow. It just was super duper slow. Look at him. A leader bike, gone. If he was on a leader bike, he'd have been gone. Look. Look at him. He tried, man. We got to give him an A for effort. He definitely was trying. Right there, gone. He should have had the throttle all the way down. His fist should have been bone. No skin on it because the devil said, let me get your hand real quick since you want to put the throttle all the way down. Throttle in hell. Yeah, this definitely was a good police chase. Short, straight to it. My boy, you just didn't have the right equipment, man. Look at that Kia Stinger. White Kia Stinger. Look good, too. Then the Challenger. Ooh, we got a little action right there. But yeah, it definitely was a good little chase, man. It was funny, man. It's like, you know, when you play GTA and you finally get that motorcycle, you finally get the little money up because you ain't got no money. You finally get the money to get the bike. And when you get the bike, it's slow, man. You trying to run from people on the map. They taking you out because your bike's so slow. You got to get them upgrades so it can go faster. He ain't had no upgrades. He ain't had no upgrades yet. He just was on the standard. It is. He did. He fought the good fight. He gave an A for effort, man. He knew what to do, though. Stay on that sidewalk. That sidewalk your friend because they can't just ride on that sidewalk like that. I don't know why he didn't go behind no buildings or nothing. He was tripping. Look like he ain't had no dirt bike, but they could do some dirt bike things. I guess it is what it is, man. Down goes the biker boys. They came in with a whole bunch of barking, a whole bunch of talking, sitting in the back of the cruiser. But yeah, at least it wasn't one of the usual suspects. But with that being said, man, let me leave y'all with some positivity, man. Where there's a will, there's a way. If you got the will, you can make a way. As long as you focused on what you need to do and you willing to not give up, you can make it happen, baby. It's all about the mind frame. How is your mind set up? If your mind set up to win, you can win. But if your mind ain't set up to win, you're going to lose every time. You can't worry about pleasing other people as well. Trying to please other people in your lifetime, you're going to waste your life away. This is your life. Why you worried about pleasing other people? You gonna waste your time always trying to make everybody else happy, and you gonna forget to make yourself happy. And that's a crying shame, because at the end of your life, you're gonna be like, dang, I should have did more stuff for myself. You don't want to be like that. Stop trying to please everybody. Stop trying to make everybody happy. Stop trying to help everybody. Help yourself. You ain't got enough time on this earth to always be focusing on everybody else. Listen here. One person can't make a change unless everybody else willing to help him make a change, or her. Now, he can start it, but you need everybody to be in on it. You can only change what you can change. You can only change your little world. You got to make life worth living. You know what I'm saying? Wasting your time? Don't do it, man. Don't do it. But with that being said, we had a wonderful good time, baby. We had us a good chase today. It was funny. It was quick to the action. I figured I'd give y'all a little quick one, you know what I'm saying? Send y'all all right. Let's start the week off right with the Biker Boys. He definitely tried, man. We're going to give him an A for effort, man. A for effort. He just was on the wrong piece of machinery. I thought that looked like a naked street bike, but then again, it looked like a little dirt bike too. So I could be wrong, but no, it ain't got dirt bike tires. So that definitely ain't no dirt bike. That's just a baby street bike. Naked street bike. I don't know, but it looked like a Suzuki. But with that being said, we do not condone running from the boys in blue. Absolutely not. But if you do decide to be a two-wheel diabolican, because you're going to do what you want to do. I can't tell you what to do. You're going to do what you want to do. But don't get mad at me for being entertained by you. But if you're a diabolican, you're going to do what you can do. I can only ask you and try to guide you away from the stupidity. 9 times out of 10, you're going to run back to it. But with that being said, if you do decide to be a diabolican, a two-wheel diabolican at that, listen here, come closer. Listen here. If you do decide to be that two-wheel diabolican, can you please, listen to me now, can you please get yourself a leader bike?